Hello everyone, let's learn how to unmute notes on Instagram. Sometimes we don't want to see some people's notes, and that is fine, but what if you change your mind? This article on how to unmute notes on Instagram will help you if you want to see someone's notes again. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, you need to make sure you have a latest version of Instagram app, so go on Play Store or App Store and see it. If you have a button where is written update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds, then you have latest version of app. After that, open Instagram app on your device. Next you need to do is to go on profile you muted Instagram notes. When you come on profile, you need to click on following button. That will open side menu, and you need to go on mute button. Now you can see on this menu that notes is muted, and to disable it just tapping on this blue button, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.